y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the Cloth and Paper March subscription box. So I have not seen any sneak peeks or anything, so it's going to be a full surprise. I apologize if there's any background noise. There's a lot of people mowing their lawns right now, and I've been trying to wait for them to finish, but when one stops, someone else starts. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. The first thing you see is everything inside of the box. So I will be referencing this throughout the video. Sorry, a long day. So let's start with the first one that we saw, which was the wellness sticker set. So this is a set of 3 stickers, the sheets are 3 by 6.75 inches, but they're just little icon activity stickers, which if y'all have been following my plan with me, this is perfect because I've been going to the gym to get in shape for our wedding, and y'all, I really love these. You have like a little bit of everything, so I think this is really the perfect combo. And then let's see what else is in here. So it looks like there's different ones. So that's the first sheet, which is the icons. And then you get a drop stickers, and then you have text stickers, and this says wellness. And so you have 4 phrases. They have rise early, go outside, hydrate, and relax. So we have that. Love these. And then everything is packaged in a bag again. So let's open up this bag. And it looks like there's a theme here, and it looks like this is more of like a wellness box, which I'm actually really excited about. So first up is this wellness Vellum dashboard, and it says mental and physical below. You have another dashboard. This is the cross-hatched dashboard. And so assuming you can layer, I'm probably going to keep everything in this box, and we're going to move this into my personal agenda. So we'll put all that together at the end of the video. So you have those. You also get the overview tab divider. So I love that it comes in white. Oh no, all my stuff's black. Oh well. So you have this little overview, and then it's just like the today dashboard. It is glass, so this will be great if you want to separate anything in between 2 tabs. You also get these half sticky notes. So this is the wellness half sticky note trio. There is 50 sheets on each, and then it is a set of 3. They are 1.5 inches by 3 inches. So I like that. I really like how they cover like all aspects of wellness, stretching, hydration, screen time, more for mental health. And I love the icons that they use. So definitely going to use those. And this will look really cute on the dashboard as well. So we have that. I'll just move this to the side. And then you also have your weekly overview notepad. So on here you have Monday through Sunday, a blank spot, and then some graph over here, or grid, and then you have a spot to mark what days of the week. And it looks like this comes with 50 sheets, and it's 3.83 inches in width and 7.87 inches in height. And then after that you have your daily wellness bundle. So I will probably open this at the end when we put it in the planner, so it makes it easier to go through the pages. But you also get that. Let's make this a little cuter. And then you get the essentials pouch. So the essentials pouch will hold all of your daily necessities, whether you're hitting the gym or taking a short trip. This pouch slides right into your bag, making it the perfect travel comparison. And this is a 5 by 7 bag. And so I got 2, and I'm pretty sure it's only supposed to come with 1. So thank you, Cloth and Paper. These will definitely come in handy. And then last is a window cling, which is in here. Or is this the window cling? Oh, this is the window cling. Sorry, I thought it was the circle. So it says, our new window cling is here for you whenever you need a pleasant reminder to keep going. Attach a chair mirror as a way to keep you motivated. Oh, I love that. That's cute. I'm not a huge fan of like this in particular, but I like the idea and the concept of it. But you have that. And then there are 2 journaling cards. So we have the May 2022 card and then the Ellipse Matte quote card. So here's what it looks like up close. And then yeah, that is everything. So I'm gonna grab my personal agenda and we're gonna flip through the new wellness bundle, and we'll also use some of the stuff in. Okay, so we have my agenda, and so if y'all been following along with my end of month flips and my plan with me's and my content planner, I have my content schedule here. I have a little daily section. I have a finance section that I use for my content planning as well. And then we are going to add this little wellness section to the back. So let's first add this overview dashboard just so it separates the tabs. And then we'll open up this bundle and add it in here. And so here is how those are layered. So here's what the overview looks like. Got the wellness tab, your dashboards. And now let's get into these inserts. So you get a lot of inserts. I know, I think you said it was a daily, but that's still, it's a lot of inserts. So first page, you have a little quote, dash, then there's a wellness log. So you have dates. There are these little circles, and I would assume that these icon stickers could go in here or over. They're just a little bit bigger. So you could use this as a tracker for anything that you see here. You could put initials or whatever you'd like, but let me show y'all how this fits. I love this. I think that's really cool that they did that. So it would fit pretty well up top. Then you have another dash, and then you have your daily wellness. So you have today's goal, a check-in, affirmations, notes, activity, and nutrition. And let me see this little notepad. So with this bundle, it says use our daily wellness bundle as a way to track your physical well-being every day to ensure you're giving your body everything it needs. This bundle includes 3 months of wellness planning to keep track of your everyday activities and rituals. So that means there should be like 30 or 31 pages in here, so you can use these every day. I think this is really cool. I'll probably only use these, I know it's designed for 3 months, but on the days that I work out. So I work out like 3 or 4 times a week, and I walk every day, but I think realistically I'll probably use these that frequently, but you get a good amount here. And let's see how it separates the months, if it does. Here. So here's your last daily wellness, and then you go back to that blank page, and then you have another wellness log. So this apparently will probably track the month. So that's actually pretty cool. So what you could do is every month track, you know, these 3 things when you're working out, and then that way you can easily go and find it. So that's actually really cool. I love, this is pretty different. I haven't seen a wellness log like this, and I actually really like this. So I might actually use that every month now, thinking about it, just because of the way it's set up. I think that's pretty cool. And I'm definitely going to keep it in this planner. And this will be, I might start calling this my like actual personal planner, since it holds a lot of personal stuff in here. But yeah, you could also just keep 1 month at a time if you'd like. And especially if you don't need, like, you know, to carry all of this. I might just keep it all in here. I know I'll probably only need to keep 1 month at a time so it doesn't get too bulky. So we will do that and then show y'all how it looks. And then, yeah, let's see. We're gonna take these out. And then I have my month here. Since it is like a quarter, I think these would work best starting off in April, since that'll be, you know, 3 months. So I will start using these next month and trying them out. And then I'll update y'all when I do my plan with me's in here or my end of month flips. But I'm actually really excited for these. I might restructure my planner just a little bit. But yeah, other than that, that is it. That is everything in the Pop and Paper subscription box. And that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.